Hello guys, today we will play hardest hobby in the world. If you join this video, please like and subscribe and add me or follow me. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now let's get started. Okay. Oh, I just fall. Oh, no hit. No. Oh, tie. No. Oh. Shit. Oh, oh my god! Oh, oops. Oops, oops, oops. Oops. Oh, oh my god! Just hit 0.253. Wow, that's nice. Go. Oh, 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 bro. How is that even impossible? Impossible, bro. Those are impossible. I give up. I give up. I give up, bro. I give up. I made my best. I made my best. I made best. Since look at it. Wait. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, we can do that. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, wait, guys, wait. My brother is so cute. Wait, no. Not my phone, not my phone, not my phone. I said not my phone. Not my phone, dude. Not my phone. Okay, let's continue it. Uh-huh. Oops. I forgive up. Okay. Since I did. Wait, what? We got 0.239. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to spin rod. Run. It's so hard. I'm gonna do it again. Bro, what? Oh. Did you? Are you admin? Are you owner something? Are you owner something? Wait, are you owner? Wait, this should be easy. Oh, I got it. How's that impossible? How? Like how? That's hard. I never seen, bro. That's hard I never seen. That's hard I never seen. Come on, bro. Is that? Isn't it that game stinks? What in the world? Always lose. Bro. I did not hit that. I swear I did not hit that. What is that team, bro? I need jump so high. Bro, are you serious? Not that good, bro. But I can beat Daniel Rosa. I'm a record. I'm bounceless now. I'm bounceless now. Poor Lil Rosa. I gonna copy. I win it, bro. Gonna make it to the top. Cannot make it to the top. I swear. Cannot make it to the top. Gonna make it to the freaking top. Gonna make it to the freaking top. Oh my god! It's so hard. So hard, bro. So hard. It's so hard. You always lose, bro. Okay, next. Okay, we are here. Let's go to the super easy obby. Get up it. That's good. Oh, wait. What? I'm not best. I'm a homeless joke. I'm not homeless, bro. Stop saying homeless, okay? Okay, next game is this one is so hard. And boom. Did you know this game? That game is called um oh, don't guess the number. I played once. I played 1 month ago. I played 1 month ago. Okay, I said higher. Okay. You cannot say 1007. Let's see. 780. Higher. I think 999. What? Isn't it 99? Bro, I think 840. 840. I think 840. Oh, let's see. Oh, 7. 640. I think 861. Higher. I think 900. 910. 910. 800. 810. I could guess. I think 973. No, 978. 900. Oh, 65. 978. 970. 961. 961. 961. I think 961. 61. 961. 961. I think 950. 954. 954. I think 954. 954. 954. Yeah. 954. What? 954. Is it 941? 41? 941? Isn't it 941? 951? 941? 941? 941? Yeah. I don't know if 500. 941. 918. Yeah. Higher? 941. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. Okay. So I'm poor. No Robux. Okay, guys. It's take for a long. What's this freaking 1,000? So close. Okay, 938. 941 exactly. $81? What? 941. Higher. 948. 948. Oh, that's it. 640. Bro. It's not 953. No. Are you serious? You said higher. Then now lower? Oh my god. How did you? I don't know your number. I don't know. I know a lot. I don't. I know where. God. Oh my god. 146. No. What is that game? Just give me a hint. Just make me cry. Um, what? Oh my god! 942. What is that game? What kind of freaking game is that? What is that? I mean, what is that? Whoosh. What? Oh my god. Not that way. I don't know. I don't know what your number is. Wait, what? 656? Oh my god. 16 minutes of that record. 16 minutes. 16 minutes. 16 minutes. So if I am died, I wanna show my camera now. If I died. Wait, did I? Just did I win? Oh my god. I win, bro, I win. I win. No. Okay. Starting. I gotta choose 608, 689. 611. Higher. It's higher. Did you? Almost there, bro. Almost there. Almost there. 401. Bro. He sent me a message. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Gonna lose. Gonna lose, bro. Lower. Lower. Wait, what? No. I think 755. Higher. Is it already higher? Oh. Bro, already know it. 580. Lower. 600. It's gonna look. Are you? Oh my god. It's gonna. Lower. I knew it. I knew it. I knew. I know it. I know. Lower. Bro, serious? Hey, not that. Not that way. So, where then? Um, Wait! I died. So I'm gonna face my camera in 3, 2, 1. Hello. That's me. So I do about my face. Wait. I do my face. Yeah. Do my camera. So what do you think about my new camera? Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, what is that? Hmm? Oh my god, I forgot. What? Bro! Yeah, I have a friend that happy. Up to 100. But only 1,000. 1 to 1,000. Oh, this is this. Number 50. Number 85. Ah. I think number 95. 95. 95. Mm, yes. Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Oh! I won! I won, bro. I knew it. What is the number? Okay. What is it? Wait. Okay. Oh, so sorry. I bro. Bro. So, bro. Who's to play with me? Bro, I'm the pro player. Okay. Guys, I want this game, bro. Somebody wants to play with me. Wants to play with me. Somebody wants to play with me. Nobody wants to play. Okay. Next game. Boom. So I bro. This is I played this game before. I played this game. No, bro. Just kick me out. I wanna hug you. No, bro. Just take me. Don't. Okay. You can hit. I'm people. I'm that kind of people. You're playing 2 seconds. This Oh, I'm at 30%. Yeah, finally. Okay. That was hot. Oh, it's okay. I will there and then this one. Bro, sorry. I'm a sorry, bro. I'm sorry because in recording. I'm sorry. I cannot. This is the welcome. Oh, I forgot. Yes. Monster. Wait, guys. Wait. Okay. As you can see, my mom pranked me. My mom. Okay, what's that? Hey, how? Bro. Okay. To join this video, please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.